Hello students, many of you are asking me one doubt very frequently these days. Sir, can loss from house property be carried forward to subsequent years under default tax regime or not? This is very controversial. I spoke with Board of Studies. I have got enough clarification from Board of Studies. Whatever the clarification that I got, that I am going to share with you in this video. The provision is carry forward of loss from house property under default tax rates. ICA has taken one view, many other books have taken another view. First, let us see view taken by ICA. As per ICA, loss from house property cannot be carried forward to subsequent years under section 115 BAC. Sir, where it was said? Let us see in ICA material. You can see in ICA material, set off and carry forward of and set off of losses. If SSC is paying tax under concessional tax rate under section 115 BAC, loss under the head income from house property would not be allowable to be set off against income under any other head. That means what he is saying, interhead set off is not allowed for loss from house property under default tax rates. Next point, the unabsorbed loss cannot be carried forward to following assessment year. That means he is restricting not only interhead set off, he is also restricting carry forward to subsequent years. That means what? As per ICA, loss from house property under default tax rates is not eligible for interhead set off. Interhead set off not possible. Carry forward to subsequent years also not possible. That means what? Let's say I am having house property 1, income of 3 lakhs. I am having house property 2, loss of 4,20,000. How much is loss from house property? Loss from house property is 1.2 lakhs. This is not eligible for interhead set off. Okay, and this is also not eligible for carry forward. This is also not eligible for carry forward to subsequent years. That means as per ICA material, loss from house property under default tax rates is restricted with regard to interhead set off. Loss from house property is not eligible for interhead set off. It is also not eligible for carry forward to subsequent years. However, many other books have taken view that loss from house property can be carried forward to subsequent years. That means what? As per other books, interhead set off is not possible. Interhead set off is not possible, but that loss can be carried forward to subsequent years. So, as per ICAI, interhead set off is not allowed, carry forward is also not allowed. As per many other books, interhead set off is not allowed, but carry forward is allowed. So, the problem came with this point. ICA material is saying loss from house property cannot be carried forward to subsequent years. Many other books are saying loss from house property can be carried forward to subsequent years under default tax rates. Now, what is the resolution? How to write it in the examination? First, let us interpret the law. I have downloaded section 115 BAC from income tax portal. Let us analyze. Before we analyze, section 115 BAC 1A speaks about default tax rates. Section 115 BAC 1A speaks about default tax rates. You can see section 115 BAC subsection 1A. What it says? For any previous year relevant to assessment year beginning on or after 1st April 2025. That means assessment year 1st April 25. That means what? Previous year 1st April 2024. So starting from 1st April 2024 for previous year 24-25, what are the tax rates under section 115 BAC 1A? Up to 3 lakhs 0, greater than 3 lakh up to 7 lakh 5%, greater than 7 lakh up to 10 lakh 10%, greater than 10 lakh up to 12 lakh 15%, greater than 12 lakh up to 15 lakh 20%, greater than 15 lakh 30%. These are default tax rates under section 115 BAC 1A, subsection 1A. Next, section 115 BAC 2. Section 115 BAC subsection 2. Sir, what section 115 BAC subsection 2 says? It says benefits not allowed under default tax rates. Benefits not allowed under default tax rates. We have seen additional depreciation is not allowed. 16 to 16(3) entertainment allowance profession tax not allowed. Many of the allowances which are exempt under optional tax rates are taxable under default tax rates. Exemption is not allowed. Deduction under section 10AA is not allowed. Okay, so many of the benefits which are not allowed under default tax rates, where they are specified in the act, they are specified under section 115 BAC subsection 2. Okay, 115 BAC subsection 2, not allowed under default tax rates. So let us see 115 BAC subsection 2. So this is 115 BAC subsection 2. As per 115 BAC subsection 2, clause 2. Clause 2. What clause 2 says? You have to read act like this. For the purpose of section 115 BAC subsection 1A, total income of person referred to therein shall be computed without set off of any loss under the head income from house property with any other head of income. That means what? Section 115 BAC subsection 2 clause 2, clause 2 subclause B. So section 115 subsection 2 clause 2 subclause B. What it says? It says that clause 2 subclause B, it says that total income shall be computed without set off of any loss under the head house property with any other head of income. That means section 115 BAC subsection 2 clause 2 subclause B says that loss from house property cannot be set off against other heads of income. Against other heads of income. That means what? Section 115 subsection 2 clause 2 subclause B keeps restriction on interhead set off. It keeps restriction on interhead set off. It is saying that interhead set off is not allowed for loss from house property. So this is clear. ICA is saying interhead is not allowed. Other books are also saying interhead set off of loss from house property is not allowed. With regard to this, there is no confusion. Confusion is with carry forward. Confusion is with carry forward. With regard to interhead set off, other books are clear. ICI book is also clear. Interhead set off is not allowed for loss from house property under default tax rates. That point is crystal clear. Where confusion is there? Confusion is there with regard to carry forward. ICI book is saying loss from house property cannot be carried forward to subsequent years under default tax rates. Whereas many other books are saying loss from house property can be carried forward to subsequent years under default tax rates. First, I will tell why many others are thinking like this. Generally, benefits not allowed under default tax rates are given under section 115 BAC subsection 2. So, as per 115 BAC subsection 2 clause 2 clause B, restriction is there only on interhead set off, no restriction is there on carry forward. So, 115 BAC subsection 2 clause 2 subclause B keeps restriction on interhead set of 115 BAC subsection 2 clause 2 subclause B. It keeps restriction on interhead set of. Okay, but it does not keep restriction on carry forward, as section 115 BAC subsection 2 clause 2 subclause B is not restricting carry forward. Many other books have written the point that loss from house property can be carried forward to subsequent years under default tax rates. But let me tell you, view taken by ICAI. When you read section 115 BAC subsection 2 clause 2 subclause B in conjunction with section 115 BAC subsection 3. Let us read section 115 BAC subsection 3. As per section 115 BAC subsection 3, loss and depreciation referred to in subclause 2 of subsection 2, referred to in clause 2 of subsection 2 shall be deemed to be have given full effect, and no further deduction for such loss or depreciation shall be allowed for any subsequent year. What do you mean by this? It is saying that section 115 BAC subsection 3 says that whatever the loss that is given under section 115 BAC subsection 2 clause 2 is there, that loss will be considered as given full effect in current previous year, and that shall not be allowed to further years. No further deduction for such loss shall be allowed for any subsequent year. That means what is the loss that is said under section 115 BAC subsection 2 clause 2? Loss is loss from house property. So when you read section 115 BAC subsection 2 clause 2 subclause B in conjunction with section 115 BAC subsection 3, it is clear that loss from house property cannot be carried forward to subsequent years under default tax rates. So under default tax rates, see, read the law very clearly. No further deduction will be allowed for any subsequent year. That means whatever the loss that is given under section 115 BAC subsection 2 clause 2 are there, all those losses, if there are any losses in current previous year, we will assume they are all given full effect and they cannot be carried forward to subsequent years. Where it was said under section 115 BAC 3. So as per section 115 BAC subsection 2 clause 2 subclause B, interhead set of not allowed. As per section 115 BAC 3, carry forward is also not allowed. So view taken by ICAI is correct as per section 115 BAC subsection 3. So here the thing is, you need to read section 115 BAC subsection 2 in conjunction with section 115 BAC 3. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is ICAI material is correct. Loss from house property is not eligible for interhead set off, and it is also not eligible for carry forward. So interhead set off is not allowed, carry forward benefit is also not allowed. Are you able to understand? So from now onwards, when you are doing house property problem, if you come across loss from house property, loss from let out property under default tax rates, don't carry it forward to subsequent years. Are you able to understand? So this is the explanation. Anyhow, for self-occupied property, there is no loss under default tax rates, because for self-occupied property, interest on borrowed capital is not allowed. So there is only loss from let out property under default tax rates. That loss from let out property is not eligible for interhead set off. That is also not eligible for carry forward to subsequent years. So view taken by ICAI is correct. The reason is many other books have have given interpretation as per 115 BAC2, but they did not give interpretation with regard to 115 BAC2 in conjunction with 115 BAC3. So when you read 115 BAC2 combined with 115 BAC3, you will clearly understand loss from let out property, loss from house property cannot be carried forward to subsequent years under default tax rates. Is it clear? I hope you would have understood this concept. In case if you have any difficulty in reading the act, please understand the conclusion. Loss from house property cannot be carried forward to subsequent years under default tax rates. Is it clear?